Hey guys, Matt McQuinn here. I'm going to quickly show you how to identify what I like to call your happy cash cows in your agency. So I'm going to go up and blow up the screen for you guys to see. So this is a quadrant that I have made of 4 sections, and it starts based on time and value of those clients. So if you have a look in the bottom left corner, we have the least amount of time spent with you as a client and the lowest amount of money spent. Some clients come right out of the gate and they spend a lot of money, and those are nice quick wins to identify. And then on the other side, you've got the low return, people who don't spend a lot of money, but they do stay. Oh, I skipped a slide. Let's go back. And then in the top right corner, of course, the more time a client spends with you and the more money they spend, these are your happy cash cows. So all you really need to do to identify people who are going to spend a lot of money in your agency are people who reflect your cash cows. Go pull up your CRM and filter it by people who have been there for longer than X period of time, and then sort them based on who has spent the most money. Take that top 10% of people who have spent a fair bit of money with your agency and how long they've been there. These are going to be your quick wins, and then you're going to have your happy cash cows who stay a long time and spend a lot of money. Once you can identify that, you can work backwards and you can start to go look for lists to market to people just like them who stay around for a long time and spend a lot of money. This is a very simple principle. It's a very simple guide, and it's a simple concept. So I brought this visual to try and help you guys really make that tangible. But again, go to your CRM. If you don't have one, just look at your payment processor and figure out who has been around the longest and who is spending the most. Take the top 10%, model that into a customer avatar or customer profile of some kind that you can say, okay, anytime we find people like Bob, who has been here for more than a year, that has spent more than $10,000, these are our happy cash cows. Let's go find more happy cash cows like John. And that is how the process works. Hope this is helpful to you guys. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks. Have a great day.